going on?
I think it's the fair committee pre-gaming for the fair.
That's basically what it is from what I saw on Facebook.
Where's that go? Oh, there's the goal.
I wonder how long this will be. So I don't want this to take up all the memory on my SD card now.
You gonna post on Facebook?
I know, I just want to record it. See if this thing would do better. This is so far doing better because I forgot this phone has a sport mode, which my Nexus 5 didn't. So it's actually, if I go to my normal mode, it's all blurry. But this one's actually keeping pace with it. I just wonder how long this is going to take because I don't want to. I'm already at 2 minutes. I've already used 100 meg. It's in HD right now, so hopefully it's working.
I think I go home and see.
I like how there's just a lot of people that just stopped here just to watch the fireworks. Evan, can you do me a favor and aim this at the fireworks? I can quickly go to watch them.
You know my dad's big yellow truck here? Yeah. The other day since I got my learners, I grabbed this truck. It's like, whoa,
What?
no.
What truck?
The big yellow one. That big yellow D&M truck.
You didn't drive it?
No, I don't want to drive that.
Man, dude.
That's so big.
Is that like a
Putter that thing
like?
around.
Is that like?
It's
It's
a
like.
5-ton truck.
Oh,
one of
okay,
those
so it's
big
like
ones.
it's like a smelly a semi, but like without the it's like the trailer
Nah,
attached.
it's not a
It's
semi.
not a semi,
Oh.
but it has like the bucket that
You want me to?
Oh.
Do you want me to record that?
you dump stuff.
Sure.
Yeah, it's got a dump box.
It's just pretty big. Like, you don't want to drive right away? I'm not driving that thing.
Man.
So
You'll
big.
drive
No,
over
very
anything you hit. You'll just
I
drive
know,
right
I'm
through
safe
it.
in it. If I make a mistake, it's like,
Yeah.
I'm not gonna get
That
hurt.
street lamp is going down, man. Boom.
That's a big truck though. I got it.
As long as you don't have to parallel park it.
Back it up because I can't even like.
Well, even if you
You
back
use
it
your
up,
mirrors. Use your mirrors.
it's like if someone's in your parking lot or parking station, pop them over it.
Yeah.
myself.
So much for recording. Oh, hi Matt.
Hey.
I don't know. Maybe they had a special deal. Save all this, save all that. Well, it's the anniversary. These
Did you know what the box is? Because I want to grab my sword. My sword's in the box.
It's right inside there.
A bunch of years having fairs all.
No, I'm just cold.
Oh man, yeah, we used to be at the arena.
By the way, Avery,
After this is finished and done and all that stuff, could you possibly email me a copy of this film? Thank you.
Hi Gordon, I'm just gonna move the bag inside.
Alright.
Because I know exactly how this thing sets so the TV doesn't get smashed. Because I actually talked to Tanner. Let me finish. Hey Gordon, I actually talked to Tanner. He allowed me to keep the TV, so.
Oh, okay. Cool beans.
Is there a TV in there?
Yeah, I also will HDTV
In there?
in this bag. So it's on my normal monitor. So.
Nice.
That was my leg. This is my PS3 in my leg that hits instead of the TV. I'll take the PS3 hitting my leg.
Another plane.
I'm just curious, how much, if you're the top right side, how much space is left?
6513 6508 6506.
Can you believe I started with 6.9? Like
Yeah.
6.9 gigs? That's on my SD card now.
And it's going.
But I also have it in sport mode and HD, so it actually works properly. That's why I have it set for my SD card. I love how everyone is going over to the side of the road to watch the fireworks.
Montreal. Sitting there, they had an international fireworks competition going on down by the river. So you could sit at the top there and watch all these presentations. They were timed to music, so they
I'm just
typed
coming
the
up here
music
'cause I
in,
wanna-
so the radio station was playing the music, so the fireworks were timed to do that, so you could watch it.
Listen to it.
Yeah, listen to music, see everything.
You might know Nick? Well then, if you're going to say, can you back out of the game then, please?
What?
Can you just back out of that match?
I guess so.
Please and thank you.
No, I honestly can't understand why he's going inside. Somebody's currently pissing away his entire family fortune on fireworks.
Actually, this is a pre-start for the fair community, so
Oh,
that's what it is. If you would have been up early, I would have invited to the arena because they actually have hot dogs in that.
ah.
Dang it, I missed it.
Hey, at least I'm capturing it on video. Well, Matt's up. Yep.
I'd be capturing on video as well if I still had space on mine.
Well, be prepared because depending on how much this is, it may eat up a lot of space on your phone. Depending which way you access it through your email.
No, I'm going to download it onto my computer. This is the one time where vertical actually works better.
Yeah, I think I got it from up here, so I can aim down. Because then I can aim it up higher, and we'll have more over the sun. By knowing this is going off is when I know the finale has started. I'm giving it another few moments here to see just in case.
Yeah.
Because I know the fair people have been good where they make it stop and make it people think it's done and all of a sudden they start up again.
And given by that guy. Guys missed it. Finale. What? Finale?
Hey, at least I recorded it on my phone. I'm recording this entire fireworks display. Okay, yeah, it's over.